friends, in this tutorial we discuss about group versus component. So here I can create two different shapes with two different colors. So first I can triple click to select this pink one and right click to make component. Name it box. Great. Again I select this to triple click, then right click, make group. The pink one is component, the green one is group. Okay. If you need to edit, you can just enter into the component and then make it any changes like this. Same in the group also. You enter first, after that only you can change it. So in single, both are working same. Now I make copies. I use move tool to make copy. So control key, I make two copies. So same in group also, I use move tool and control to create two more copies. Once I enter in the component, I make any changes, the all components are changed. The same way I enter in the group, I can make changes. Only the changes act in that particular item. Every group act separately, but component all same. If you change one component, all the component will change. But group not like that. If change one, other groups not affect. Sometimes we need to create component. Sometimes we need to create group. So if you need all the doors are same means you can use component. Because you can change one door size or one door modification, all the doors will change automatically. Every group act this different. So if you need to change, you can enter that particular group and you can change it. The group not affect other copy group. There is a huge difference between group and component. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.